HDFC Bank is now back in the green. But ITC has also been a big mover ahead of its numbers tomorrow. Mangalam joins in with the key expectations. Mangalam.
It's been a big mover indeed, and the street is expecting soft numbers though this time around from ITC. What we're looking at in terms of revenue, standalone revenue, that is ex-excise, would be a growth of just about 3.5%. A little under 17,000 crores on the top line is what the street is working with. This number compares with 16,400 crores thereabout at the same time last quarter. The EBITDA grows about 1.5%. We look at 6,300 crore, which means that the margins are stable around that 37% mark itself. The net profit on the back of that grows just about 0.5%. You're looking at a number not more than 5,115 crores. That's what the street is expecting. So soft numbers expected, but the stock too has, not done much over the last 1 year or so. From the peak of 500, it has seen a bit of a correction as well. So trading at around 25 times 1 year forward earnings. What will be important to watch out for ITC would be the segmental business. So 0 to 1% sort of growth expected in cigarette volumes. That would equate to a cigarette revenue growth of around 4 to 5%. 7 to 9% growth is expected in close to, with closer to high single-digit volume growth in the FMCG business. And in the FMCG business is the margin, or the EBIT margin will be extremely crucial to watch out for. Hotels, that's doing extremely well for the company, as we've seen for the hotel sector, 14 to 16% growth out there. And agri-business will grow just 5 to 6%. That, of course, is impacted by the ban on exports of wheat and other agri products. And because of the weakness that we're seeing in paper, 5 to 10% decline in the paper business is what we're watching out for. 0 to 1% cigarette volume growth. If there is any more than that, the street would like it. And then all hopes will be then on the budget, what happens to the taxation, etc. That would be the next big trigger, along with the demerger of the hotel business when that process completes.
Thank you very much for that. By the way, Sun Pharma is now settling higher, 1% up on Sun Pharma. So initially the stock was down 0.5%, went down to a 1% cut, but now Sun Pharma is up 1%. Get into a break. We'll come back close to the market close.